Hello, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Animals and their Young Ones. All living things live for some years. They grow, become old, and finally die. The continue the, to continue the life on the earth, all living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. The process by which animals produce their young ones is known as reproduction. Animals can reproduce in two ways: by direct giving birth to young ones, and second, by laying eggs, out of which a baby hatches after a specific period of time. So, firstly, we will learn how animals that give birth to the young ones. The animals that give birth to young ones and feed them for their growth with their own milk are known as the mammals. Mammals have well developed sense organs and brain. Most of them have fur on their bodies, like dogs, cats, elephants, cows, and human beings. These all are the examples of the mammals. Dolphins and whales are mammals that live in water. In mammals, babies are formed inside the body of the mother. They stay inside for several weeks and then they are born. When the babies are born, they are weak and helpless. So, mothers care for their babies like your mother care for you. And they clean them, teach them to find food, to live on their own on and protect them till they learn to look after themselves. They feed their babies with their own milk. In some mammals, fathers also provide help by hunting food and guarding the young ones. You can see here the cat with kittens, the elephant with its young ones, and a lioness with its cubs. Several animals reproduce by laying eggs. Birds, fishes, insects, frogs, snakes, and crocodiles. These are the some examples of the animals that lay eggs. All birds such as crows, sparrows, hens, and eagles, they reproduce by laying eggs. The female birds lay eggs in nests. Each egg has a hard but thin protective outer covering called eggshell. And inside the shell there is a white jelly-like substance that is known as the albumin. It is also called egg white. Albumin is rich in proteins. There is a yellow substance called yolk. It is rich in fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now we will learn about the life cycle of a hen. Means here we will study that how a adult chicken lay eggs and after a chickens reproduce. Yolk contain the portion of the egg that contains food for the growing baby, that is known as embryo inside the egg. The embryo undergoes various developmental changes and grows into a chick. Firstly, the parent bird lay the egg, and then the parent bird keep the egg warm by sitting on it. This is known as the incubation. The fully grown chick breaks the egg and comes out in about 21 days. This is known as hatching. The young ones do not have feathers and their eyes are closed. The parent birds feed and teach them how to fly. The parent birds look after their young ones till they are strong enough to look after themselves. Here we will study about the life cycle of the frog. A frog lays a cluster of eggs in a safe place in the water, and the cluster of eggs is known as spawn. The baby frogs are called tadpoles, comes out of the eggs in about 3 weeks. They look like tiny fish and breathe through gills. The tadpoles gradually lose their tails and develop legs. After a specific period of time, they become adult frogs. The process of conversion of tadpole into an adult frog is known as metamorphosis. And the parent frogs also take care of their babies, but only for a short time. So here it is how a adult frog lay eggs and a baby frog comes out. A fish lays thousands of eggs at one time in water. The eggs of fish do not have shells. Only a few of them develop into baby fishes, and only few of baby fishes survive. Most of the eggs and baby fishes are eaten up by the other big fishes. Thank you.